So I want to show you my deep, dark, shameful secret. This mess is my Meccano hobby room. And as you can see, it is absolutely ridiculously crowded out. Couple of reasons for that. The main thing is that I've got too much stuff because I recently closed my office down. I'm working from home now. I mean, I'm very much part-time. I'm virtually retired, but the work that I do, I work from home. And that means I stored a lot of my Meccano stuff down at the office at work, and since I've closed that down, it's had to come up here, and I don't have enough space here. So some of this is going to have to go into storage, but a lot of it, if I reorganise this room and get it a bit tidier, then I can hopefully fit a lot more in a lot more efficiently and get some use out of it. The basic plan is going to be to make an L shape of the desk. So in that corner there is where the desks are going to intersect. We're going to have an L shape, so I'm going to have a lot more desk area and also space beneath the desks to stack the Meccanos there so it looks tidier. I'm going to, you can't really see it, but I tend to sit on that there, and I'm going to lose that because it's taking too much space up, and I'm just going to sit on the chair. The TV, which I use for PlayStation games, which I'm old and terrible reflexes not very good at, but I enjoy anyway. I'm thinking that's going to go on that wall there. And Lara might have to come down. I don't know, we'll have to see. And once I've done that, tidied up, maybe taken some stuff away and put it in the garage for storage, then hopefully I've got an area that's a lot more usable and nicer to be in. So this appeared on my door courtesy of my darling wife and son halfway through. And as we are halfway through, let's just take a look and show you what we've done so far. We've got the desking stacked with everything, as you can see. There we are, that's better. Now let's look around, and these shelves are going to be put up against this back wall. That one there's going to come down because I want my space for it. I'm not sure where that will go afterwards, but that will then hopefully put the shelves there, put my models across them, and that'll give me a nice backdrop from there when I'm filming. But yeah, we're starting to take shape. Just shelves to put on there. The telly to mount there between those two pictures approximately, and then just some tidying up to do, and we should be good from there. Right then, so job done. Let's show you where we got to. And this, I'm sure you'll agree, is much better. I've got my shelves with the various models and so forth on here. Bit of a library going on down there. Got my top shelf there. Various things. Meccano related pictures and whatnot. Got this area set up for my electronics and robotics sort of projects on this side. I've put this up here. This is going to be, when needed, a blind that I can pull down. So I've got a backdrop for photography. Clear all this lot off, and then larger models I can use that as a backdrop. I've put in a new blind against the window which looks a bit tidier. Rearranged it. I've got a lot more desk space, as you can see. Come round here. I've got my mobile crane, which is going to progress next year. I intend that to move forward. Got me telly on the wall, and Lara's back up on there. Telly on the wall always seems kind of decadent to me. I don't know why. And yeah, so that's what we like. I'm very pleased with how it's turned out. It's a lot nicer space to work in now. And well, stick around, watch some of the videos, and see what I make in there. Thanks for watching. See you all later. Bye.